Hello guys, my name is Ruben and this is my project here in Unilib. Come check it out! Here we have one of many screens called the main HPU, which shows the overall status in a schematic diagram. The project is essentially two different sets of doors controlled with hydraulics and sensors that speaks to one another automatically or manually. This is an operating panel which allows the user to control the door. But in order to enable the panel, I must turn at least one key selector to testing mode. Now we can start the closing procedure. To do that, I press and hold down the door close button. If I let go of it, the motor will stop, and so does the door. I use an inductive sensor to simulate the detection of the gear wheel teeth in order to know the door's position. At the same time, the speed of the motor slowly increases from 12 to 20, 12 being zero movement and 20 being the maximum closing speed. You can also press door open button to move the door backwards where the speed is 4. The speed will maintain as 20 until the door is 75% closed. When the door reaches 75% closed, the speed will slowly reduce to 12, which will be the door fully closed. At the same time, the door will be locked. The opening procedure is similar to closing but in reverse motion. First the door is unlocked, then the motor starts when the door open button is pressed and held on. The motor speed will go from 12 to 4, 4 being the maximum opening speed. You can also press door close button to move the door forward where the speed is 20. The speed maintains until the door is 25% open, where the speed will slowly reduce to 12, which means the door is fully open. And finally, to disable the door open and close capabilities, turn the key selector back to normal. Now, what if there's a fault in the system? Well, that is where the lamp test application comes in. This assures when in an event of a fault, it can be seen on the panels themselves. The fault will stop any operation and will be shown on the HMI screen. Upon fixing the fault, the system will continue from before. The other screens I have developed are mostly to show measurement readings, speed, dynamic control, and operating system of all components used in the project. Overall, this has been one of the most challenging projects and I am grateful for this fresh experience. This is Ruben and I want to thank you for watching.